This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a minimal environment, Node, JS, and a code editor. Once installed, you create a project folder and run npm init-y to initialize a package, then make index, HTML and script, JS, and link the script at the end of the body so the DOM loads first. You do this now because immediate feedback accelerates learning. Open the editor, save both files, and open index. HTML in a browser. If you see no errors, you're ready to run the first console, log. Now you write executable examples, declare let and const variables, define simple functions, and use if/else, and for loops to shape control flow. Once done, sprinkle console. Log where you need insight. It's faster than guessing. Make sure to run your script in Node for backend logic or Open DevTools console for DOM interaction and live editing. Pair small edits with refreshes or reruns, and gradually replace console checks with breakpoints as you understand execution order and scope. To finish, refactor working snippets into modules or separate functions so code is reusable and easier to test. Run a linter to catch style errors and add a tiny test to confirm behavior. If something fails, use breakpoints in DevTools and read error messages carefully to find the failing line. Make sure to isolate the issue by creating a minimal reproducible example. This clarifies cause versus symptom. If problems persist, reset cached files and retry with fresh steps to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.